guys, so today I'm going to show you a squishy video. So I'm going to show you all the squishies that I have done. So first you have this sponge squishy. Then we have this squishy that has the little face of Punimaru. And they're really squishy, and these are homemade squishies. Then I have this galaxy squishy. It's not that squishy, it's just like hard, so it's not that squishy. Then I have this little Mickey refrigerator squishy. I have the squishy that I did it with nail polish and a makeup sponge. Not that squishy. Then I have this Eat Me squishy. Then I have this little bread squishy. It's this squishy. It has a little cute face in the back. That just has the yellow in the corners. Then we have this like lollipop squishy, like kind of like a lollipop. Then, that's how squishy is it. Then we have this tape squishy with some paper. That's not that squishy. Then we have this hard squishy. This one's a little bit more softer. This one's a little bit more harder. This one is a grape squishy, blue grape, purple grape, and this is just the heart, orange heart, a little smiley face. Then I have this inspired cow with some blue dots. Squishy, and it's not that squishy. It's just. And then we have this squishy that my sister made me. Then we have this donut.
I like this.
Well, and it takes time to rise because it's so slow. Then we just have this like, I guess it's like, I don't really know what it is. So it's like kind of like little like just like a bread that has a lot of things on it. That's how squishy it's it. And then on the end. Then we have this that comes with the bread. It's the bread loaf. That's squishy. Then we have this cutting board that comes with the loaf bread that I made. And it's not that squishy. It's hard. And so those are all of the squishies that I made so far. And please make sure to subscribe and thumbs up if you like this video. Bye!